Hello and welcome in Madeleine's Intuitive Kitchen. And here we have nice potatoes and today we make a special meal. We don't do this very often. I look at it as something more festive. It's called Rösti in Switzerland and you call it here hash brown, but it's different because we have two areas in Switzerland. One makes Rösti like you make it here from cooked potatoes, where my grandmother lived in the eastern Switzerland. They make it from raw potatoes and with olive oil, and it needs so much less fat if one cooks it raw. So my mother adapted this and I saw her doing it, and we always looked forward having Rösti. And here I will make it for this special event for today. You can use with the peel or without the peel or partially like I did. It's good in any case. And what we need is a big onion. I took a red one, you can take a white one. It doesn't matter which color potato and onions. And we need real salt and a tiny little bit of olive oil, which I will heat up the pan. And I just laid it out a little bit. It has to be hot, so it has to sizzle when you put it in. Here we go. This is a Silis grater, and we can here we have. So we looked at it's really hot here. And see if now we go and do some more. So here we have the second round. We do it in rounds. And also what I like to mention, my mother and grandmother both told me during the war they didn't get any oil, they didn't get any food from the outside. So what they used is water, and we can do it also without salt, just herbs, whatever you prefer. It's very flexible. So we go and look how this. So we do a little bit of just a tiny little hint. And then it's nice to have it with a, we call it a crust. And then we put it aside here and do the next part in there. Even it out a little bit.
Beautiful.
Leave this. Not too hot, kind of medium, slow medium. And then we have a few more here. A little more gravy. So now we're through.
Oh, everything done.
Yeah.
Third batch.
Yeah. So in the beginning it's about making it a little like crusty. So this is just soft, that's okay too. And then at the end we make the last crust. In between we have it kind of cooking more. So we need a little bit. So that's a nice big serving here for 2 people. It's so delicious.
Yeah, it's really good. This is the signature Swiss food.
Yeah, you're right. So it's all about getting it all into the pan.
And keeping it in the pan.
Yeah. We let this cook a little bit because all the potatoes have to be, of course, soft and cooked for 15 minutes or so on very low, and then I come back and we turn it. All right,
Great.
See you in a little bit.
Okay.
So here we are back after about 15 minutes, and I will turn some. Put it up. It's kind of an art to have it medium and slow, and you get the hang of it, how to do it. So look at this, nice crust. So the idea is to have this roasting again. Another 5 minutes of roasting would be enough time. So putting it on, what is that, about a third of the heat. Just leave it like this, and then up to you with putting salt on or not. I just put a little bit on and put it on the table, and then we can choose what to do. Yeah. Then we come back again and serve. All right, see you. Back in Madeleine's intuitive kitchen, and here is the Rösti.
Wow.
And we'll serve this.
Ooh, looks really good.
It's nicely roasted, which is really great. We have here some homegrown cucumber tomato salad with sprouts, and you can serve any kind of salad, and the cucumber salad is actually online. I think it's with the frittata vegana, how to do it. We serve some of this. This makes them a nice color. Sprouts. And this is a typical Swiss Abendbrot, we call it. It's an evening bread, but it's no bread, but it's Swiss.
Evening meal.
Yeah, evening meal. Bon appetit here, Will.
Beautiful. Great.
Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.